Are you cooking? Woo. You're cooking a little bit? What you cooking? You're cooking dog food. Dog food. You're cooking? Is it warm? Is it hot or warm or cold? What is it? Hot? Oh yes, you poured more in. All right. Is it hot? Show me hot. How do you do hot? Show me hot. What's hot? Say it. Zander, do hot. 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 Show me hot. Oh, you stirring it? You stir it pretty good. Look at you. You cooking? You are cooking, aren't you? Maybe you'll be on a chef show someday. Yes. You and Buddy Dog. You cooking? What you cooking? What are you cooking? What? Pour more in there. Yep, more ingredients. Oh yes. Good job. You got it in there, didn't you? You did it. You're cooking a leaf? Why are you cooking a leaf? I think you're kind of silly. Are you silly? I don't think there's anything in there.
President's a busy man, David. Wants his helicopter on the ground, and nothing was to meet his child as references to anyone. He's been briefed. It doesn't face him. It's on the ship. So he's the leader of the free world, David. He doesn't enjoy looking like some an asshole, which is how this guy Walker's making us all look. Look at the president's helicopter. Let's blow up the sky. Tell him that. What have we got? 16 agencies. You were kidding me. Nope. 16 agencies had some awareness of our operation to get Walker, and that's just on the intelligence side. It's not how I find the leak. We can start by looking around you. Sir. Yeah. The Vice President wants to see you. See you? No, sir. A succession protocol requires him to be on lockdown as long as the threat to the President remains red. He's in his bunker. Where's Gary? He's still in the hospital. He's supposed to be released in a few hours. Good. So we get him here. Yes, sir.
Green pen is what I want, and blue is what is available. Green is important. Green is necessary. It doesn't make sense if it isn't green, and it's really not an unreasonable request. So, thank God, my green pen is dry. I asked 4, 5, 6 times for a new one. There's no understanding. They offer me black. Is green so hard? Is green elusive? I'm in my kingdom for a fucking green pen. She's yours. She's yours. After we'll be in. Please don't focus on green. There's many things. The thing is, Saul, the avenues here has methods and patterns and priorities. A single sniper? No. No. Avenues are he goes big.
Do you like to cook? Can you show me a crazy face or something? Mean face. Show me mean face. Show me crazy face. Do you have a tongue? Stick your tongue out. Can you roll your eyes? You are so fun. I like hanging out with you. Are we buddies? We are buddies. Yes. You and I are buddies. And Buddy's with us too. Mr. Handsome Buddy's here. Oh yeah. All three buddies. You, me, and Buddy. What does a cat say? Meow meow. What's a dog say? Woof. Woof. What does a bear say? Matt. Zander, what does a bear say? And do your hand like a claw. Arr, arr. That's what a bear says. Arr, arr. Do you like a bear? Yes. And what does a pirate say? Arr. Gotcha on that one, didn't I? What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does an owl say? Woo. Woo. Now Buddy's hanging out over here with us. Hi, Buddy's. Oh, Buddy's so handsome. Is Buddy your friend? He's your dog friend. Hey, those are cool slippers. Is that a monkey on your slippers? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Where's your favorite Aunt Courtney? Is her picture up there? Favorite Aunt Courtney? Is that her picture? Can you say favorite Aunt Courtney? Say favorite Aunt. Say Aunt. Say Aunt Courtney. Aunt Courtney. Favorite Aunt Courtney. Oh, for me? Okay. It's almost gone. Oh, that was good. Want some? Drink for you. Just some on your head. I put some on your head. Oh, more? Okay. More. Trip, 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 trip. I do it on your face now. Silly. More? Okay. It's raining on your face. Let's run on Buddy. It's raining on Buddy. Buddy doesn't like it like we do. I'll make it rain on me. Woohoo! It's raining on me. It rained on Grandpa too. Okay. Wow! He made it rain on Grandpa's head. Hi, Buddy. You gonna put it in your soup? Thanks. Okay, my turn to drink. Some for you? Oh, on your head? On your face. There you go. Oh, my goodness. My head's wet, too. Yep. Is Grandpa's head silly? Grandpa. You say Grandpa? Okay, Zander. Can you say Grandpa? He's dripping. Can you say grandpa? Yeah. Can you say hair? Where's your hair? Where's your hair? More? More for grandpa. All over your face now. Because she's so good. Oh, that was funny. Okay, grandpa, get on his face. Oh, it's on my glasses too. We both got wet faces, don't we? Yes. Oh, shake too. Oh. Shake it off. We shake our face. Shake, shake, shake. More. I'll do more on me. And more on you. Oh yeah. Woohoo. Oh, shake. Wow. More. Okay, more on grandpa. More on you. I think you're a little wet. That time I got you more than me. Oh my gosh, is it on your nose? More? Okay, I'm doing it on you. More, grandpa. Oh, it's got him. Grandpa's glasses. Grandpa can't see. More. More. Oh, and more on you. Your mama's gonna come home and think we're silly. Mama's gonna think we're silly. Are you cold? No. Are you hot? Hot. Oh, your stew is hot. You better stir it. Stir your. No, you gotta stir your stew. Yeah, stir it. Make it good. More. Okay, more. You are silly. Oh, more for grandpa. Oh, that's wet. More. We can't go outside not till you are dry. You're gotta be totally dry. Dry. More. Okay. I don't even know if you have any clothes. More.
Your mama?
You're silly.
Your mama?
More. Okay. No more on our heads, okay? No more. That was fun. Yep. Oh. Grandpa's glasses are wet. I could clean my glasses so I can see you better. They're all wet. I have to clean them. They are all wet. Say glasses. Can you say grandpa's glasses? Say glasses. Can you say grandpa's glasses? I'm going to zoom in on you. Here comes to see your nose. Hi! Are you? Isn't that hot? You don't want to stir with your hands, do you? Yeah. This is almost like yesterday. What made you do water today? You did water today. You made real soup. This is dog nugget soup. Dog nugget soup. Say dog. How is it? Does it taste good? Okay. Can you call it dog nugget soup? Say dog nugget soup. Dog nugget soup. Hey, you got a leaf in there. That's like Grandma's spaghetti. She put leaves in her spaghetti. Yep, let me see it. That's like Grandma. When Grandma makes soups and spaghetti, she put leaves and sticks in them and trees. So, you learned that from Grandma, didn't you? Did you learn that from Grandma? Dog nugget soup. Nugget soup. Say nugget soup. Dog nugget soup. Does Buddy like dog nugget soup? I don't think he's telling us. Hi, Buddy. Oh. Woohoo.